Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.